As you can see, there's two Thomases. One has batteries full to the brim, and another Thomas could do with new batteries, but that's what it's about. Having fun with Thomas. Buff my buffers. That Thomas is looking at that Thomas thinking, that's not fair. I want batteries. So I'll tell you what, I'll put this Thomas on that track and maybe you can give him a helping hand, eh? Does he want to move now? Push, Thomas! Push, Thomas! Push, Thomas! Oh, he's fell off. Oh no. Oh no. Buff my buffers! He's confusion and delay!